Hello everyone, I'm on the toilet again, and I'm going to talk to you about how to fix a randomly running toilet. Not one that's running continuously, but randomly. So we're going to get on top of this toilet and check out what's happening here. You may have a situation where every once in a while you hear your toilet run and then stop. It could be while you're sleeping, it could be any time of day, you know, maybe half an hour later, or who knows, depending on everyone's situation is different. You'll suddenly find that you'll hear your toilet engage and the tank's filling up. So what's likely happening here, I'll bet anything that what's happening is either your flapper needs to be replaced because it's not seating properly on the hole that goes down into the toilet, or you've got a canister like this one and the gasket needs to be replaced on the bottom. It's only a couple of dollars and very easy to do. So I'm going to turn off the water here and I'm going to show you what the gasket replacement process would be on here, what it would look like. And then once I guarantee you, once you do that, it's going to stop. Okay, and that also assumes that the water is just not running over the top, because I've got another video that I'll link to up above that shows you how to stop a running toilet that's constantly running, not just occasionally. So first let me turn this water off. All right, water's off. I want to flush the toilet, and then we're going to take this canister off and I'm going to show you what the gasket looks like. All right, well, the water's out. I'm going to take the tube out, the fill tube, and then there's this center post here. You want to not grab it up here, but down a little farther, grab the shaft of it, and you're going to spin it. You're going to spin it, and it's going to pop out, and you can lift the canister. Okay? Now the canister can come up. Now here's what I want to show you. This gasket here gets worn, and it can be replaced. You can buy it at your home improvement store. Just pull it off here and put a new one in. This one works fine, so I don't want to stretch it and make it so it doesn't work. All right, so but this gasket is likely what's creating that slow leak. A little bit of drips, water going in here, down into the hole that you can see down there, and it's going into the toilet. And then once it comes down enough where the water level comes down and your float engages the refill, then you're going to hear it come back up. That's likely what's happening if you have a canister toilet, or even if you have a flush valve. The flush valve is worn. That's what's going to cause it to happen. Now, to put this back, you'll see this little fitting here goes right into the center down there. Just got to line it up and it will go back in. Okay, and then put the tube back and we're ready to go. So now I'm just going to turn the water on, refill, and we should be fine. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment below and I will definitely get back to you. Please give me that like, and please subscribe to the channel as well. I have plenty more videos for you. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks again for watching, everyone. I hope you do have a great day.